In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WordPress set up and ready to use. Whether you're starting a blog, building a website for your small business, or just curious about creating your online presence, WordPress is a fantastic tool. It's user-friendly, powerful, and completely customizable. Let's dive into the process of getting WordPress step by step. First, you want to open up your favorite web browser and go to WordPress.com. If you're wondering why we're choosing WordPress.com and not WordPress.org, it's because WordPress.com offers a hosted solution where everything is taken care of for you. Perfect if you want to avoid managing hosting and more technical details. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, you'll see there's a lot of information. The button you're looking for is the Get Started button. It's usually prominently displayed since WordPress wants to make it as easy as possible for you to start your website journey. Clicking Get Started will take you to the next step, where you have options to sign up. Here, WordPress offers you multiple choices to register for an account. You can continue with your email, or if you prefer, streamline the process by using your Google or Apple ID. Just click on the option that suits you best. If you're using an email, make sure it's an email address you regularly access, as you will receive confirmations and communications from WordPress. If you choose Google or Apple, it's quick and seamlessly links your account to these platforms. Once you've chosen your sign-up method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. WordPress might ask you for additional information, like your name and your preferred username. This username is important as it's often what you'll be known as in the WordPress community and on your site. Keep it professional if you're creating a business website or something fun and creative for personal use. After completing these steps, congratulations! You've successfully started your journey with WordPress. You're now ready to begin exploring the endless possibilities of customizing your site to fit your needs. WordPress offers a variety of templates and themes, both free and paid, to help you achieve the look and feel you want for your website. As you get more comfortable, you can also explore plugins to add functionality, connect analytics, and optimize your site for search engines. Remember, having a WordPress site is a continuous journey. As you grow more familiar with its features, you'll find more ways to enhance and refine your online presence. Happy blogging! And here's to building something amazing with WordPress.